Unlock the secret to bringing your CapCut videos to life with the magic of animation, all through the power of keyframes. Today, we're diving deep into how to use keyframes in CapCut to create incredibly dynamic and engaging motion within your projects. First, let's add a video clip to your timeline. This will be the canvas for our animation to start animating. Select the clip you want to work with. Now, let's say we want to animate this text. Find the element you want to move or change in this case. It's our text. Tap on the text overlay. You'll see several options. We're interested in adding motion, so we'll look for the Animation tab. Here's where the magic happens. See this little diamond icon? That's our keyframe button. Tap it to activate keyframing for this element. When you tap the keyframe button, CapCut automatically places a keyframe at your current playhead position. This marks the starting point of your animation. Now, drag your playhead to a different point in time. Further along the timeline, this is where your element will be at that specific moment. While the playhead is at this new position, make the changes you want. Let's move the text to the right. As soon as you make a change, CapCut automatically adds a second keyframe. This tells CapCut from where to where your element should move. Now, when you play back your video, you'll see your text smoothly animating from its initial position to its new position. You've just created your first animated element with keyframes. You can apply this same technique to any element stickers, images, even adjust properties like opacity or rotation. Let's quickly animate this sticker to fly in from the side. Add a keyframe at the start, place it off-screen, move the playhead, and then position it where you want it to end. CapCut does the work of interpolating the movement in between. By strategically placing keyframes, you can create anything from simple object movements to complex, evolving scenes. Experiment with different property changes between keyframes for even more intricate animations. Mastering keyframes in CapCut is your gateway to truly professional and captivating video edits. Start practicing and watch your creativity soar.